Hallo, ich bin Susanne, and in this video I would like to introduce to you 3 irregular comparison forms, comparative and superlative, that are important to know if you are at A2 level. I recommend learning those by heart because they are irregular. Okay, here's the first example. Der Pflaumenkuchen schmeckt gut. Gut is your basic adjective in this sentence. Now, let's have a look at the comparative form. Der Kirschkuchen schmeckt besser. Besser is the comparative form of gut. You could say besser als der Pflaumenkuchen, better than. Following, I have 2 options for superlative. Der Erdbeerkuchen schmeckt am besten. The strawberry cake tastes best. Am besten. And here's another option for you. Superlative. Der Erdbeerkuchen ist der beste Kuchen. The best cake. Der, because Kuchen is male. This is singular. I would like you to remember gut, besser, am besten. Gut, besser, am besten. My next example is the little word gern. It's not really an adjective, it's more an adverb. However, it does have irregular, comparative and superlative forms, so let's have a look. Tom spricht gern Deutsch. Tom likes speaking German. Gern is here in its very basic form. Let's have a look at the comparative. Anne spricht lieber Englisch als Deutsch. She prefers speaking English to German. Lieber is the comparative form of gern. Here's the superlative. René spricht am liebsten Französisch. Am liebsten is the superlative form. He likes to speak French the most. The last sentence I have for you is not a superlative form, but this is also how you can say it. Renés Lieblingssprache ist Französisch. Renés favorite language is French. I would like you to memorize gern, lieber, am liebsten. Gern, lieber, am liebsten. Our last word is viel. Viel is a numeral word. Also has a comparative and a superlative form. Let's have a look at those. Paul liest viel. Paul is reading a lot. Viel is your basic numeral word in this case. Jonathan liest mehr. Jonathan is reading more than Paul, als Paul. Mehr is the comparative form of viel. Following the superlative form, Melina liest am meisten. She's reading the most. Am meisten. I've got another option for the superlative here. It's a plural. Example. Melina liest die meisten Bücher. She's reading the most books. Die meisten Bücher. Die, because Bücher is a plural. I would like you to memorize viel, mehr, am meisten. Viel, mehr, am meisten. So those forms were irregular comparative and superlative forms, and I hope this video was useful. If you would like a video that goes more into depth within that topic, please let me know. Ich wünsche euch einen schönen Tag. Bis bald und tschüss.